Welcome to Scottsdale, where the only thing hotter than the weather is the real estate market. Why did the investor bring a ladder to Scottsdale? Because they heard the property values were through the roof. In Scottsdale, even the cacti are in on the investment game. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful investor in Scottsdale? Because he was outstanding in his field. That was so lame. So here is one more bad joke, you fool. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cash, you idiot. Cash who? No thanks, but I'd love some peanuts. So, if you're looking to invest, remember, Scottsdale is the place where your money grows faster than a cactus in the desert sun. With low taxes and strong support for entrepreneurs, your investment is set for success. Scottsdale boasts excellent connectivity, making it easy to reach major markets. And let's talk quality of life. Scottsdale offers a vibrant lifestyle with top-notch education, healthcare, and recreation. Attracting a talented workforce has never been easier. Ready to invest in a city that's moving forward? Scottsdale is waiting for you. Make the smart choice. Invest in Scottsdale and call Steve Ness today. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts, so call me, you gutless wonder.